Health first before carnival. That's the view from a couple of entertainers who believe any form of carnival should not be considered at this time, given the current COVID-19 situation in the country. Junior Bisnath, also known as the Mokojumbie Man, also says although it could be beneficial to him, the festival even has concert-type events should not take place. He believes the situation is too dire at this point in time and is urging government to reconsider.
Health first before any fete or any carnival. Health first. Yes. Right? And right now we're in a crisis. And if you're sending people home from their jobs, they can't even afford to get a costume. They can't even get a costume for carnival. So let me see about this thing first. Health first.
Meanwhile, entertainer and artiste Trisha Hamilton says health and life should be put first on the agenda.
We love the culture. Trinidad and Tobago love the culture. We love the line, we love the party, we love the music, we love the drinking, we love all these things. But right now, if we are indeed in a pandemic, then we need to think about health and life first. Yeah. So because of that, I will not be in support of carnival.
The two entertainers were speaking during the pushback march around the Queen's Park Savannah on Saturday. The recent announcement by Prime Minister Dr. Keith Rowley on the hosting of carnival-like activities during the season has not augured well with the opposition. UNC Member of Parliament for Princes Town Barry Padarath, during Sunday's opposition press conference, questioned the cost of the Taste of Carnival activities.
The minister must come clean with the population and say exactly what is the budget that NCC has articulated to the Ministry of Tourism for hosting of any carnival events. Because you see, this must be juxtaposed to where we are with respect to COVID-19 in this country, where there's no medication in the hospitals, where there's a shortage of drugs, where people cannot get oxygen. This is the reality.
The Princes Town MP noted that he wants to hear the advice from the Chief Medical Officer and others within the medical fraternity on the repercussions of hosting any type of carnival activities.
And these mixed signals over the past few months, today we are having carnival, tomorrow we're not having carnival, it's really an indictment on the government. And I think the Trinidad and Tobago Promoters Association and several of those stakeholders have really put it squarely on the shoulders of the government, in that you had sufficient time to engage stakeholders as to what the plan was going forward.
MP Padarath, however, stated that the UNC stands with all carnival stakeholders in their plight due to the COVID-19 pandemic and the calls by some to reopen the entertainment industry fully.